Looks good. Kind of want to do more of that programming stuff that I was doing yesterday, but we'll see. It's already 10 something. All right. Eat my cheese blocks. These are pepper jack. Juice box, yeah. And water. I do have some drinks, but I don't want to spend the time to do those a review thing right now. I've gotten too used to eating so much in the morning. Which probably isn't right. Do I need to eat this? Man, it's so slow. Bro.
Come out and play. No heart binds me.
Oh, I forgot I probably don't have audio on this. Oh, no, I do. It uses the same thing. Interesting.
No fighting destiny.
I haven't been looking at or clipping my VODs at all lately. It just feels like you know, there's always something you could be doing. Leona Bait Weaver. I mean, Gnosis. Nice. Space Groove. I don't know what she is, but I'm gonna try this. Gotcha.
Everybody panic.
Too much crap everywhere. Huh? Bastion.
Finally some action.
Hmm. To her. Okay, that was not enough. Challengers.
No stitching that back together.
Okay. Stargazer, Fate Weaver. Hmm.
Doing it.
May I jump in?
Psionic. Hmm. Getting a random bone. Let's try this thing.
Eternity we shall spend together.
Oh, whoops. I think she was... Never mind. Yeah, I think she was the same group. Oh, well.
I'll savor this.
Hmm. Well.
Finally, some action.
There we go. That's a Teemo. I assume he takes that. Yeah. Conduit. Oh, I didn't even take the...
No stitching that back together.
Yeah, I don't want that. Nice. Quite the crew. So Nasus is a little dog inside of a suit. Those two look the same, basically. Teemo's a... whatever that is.
Settle down, sweet cake. It's about to get messy.
I'm gonna clean this galaxy from the inside out.
Hmm. Nice.
No stitching that back together.
See what this even does. 4% stacking attack damage and ability power. Then if I got 7 of them by 10%, then 10 is get your groove on. 60% attack speed increase. I don't know if I have any. Well, we'll try that.
By force of will.
Briar did the most damage. Whoops. Yeah. Okay. Should probably not spend money, but nope. She's still one.
That was fun.
Mystery. Gotta go fast. Yeah, I don't understand the layout of this really. Like, what's the point of having this down here?
I go where my research takes me.
Yep. Master Yi. Probably be good. Surprised they didn't reskin the items. 'Cause who's gonna wear that thing? Nice. Probably just not spend money. Oh, wait.
Shake it.
Master Yi was probably a good one, but what the hell is this? Man, I'm getting dunked on.
I'll savor this.
Three cost. Hmm. Okay, that's not great. Like, what is the point of her? She's not gonna do much. Yeah, it didn't really work. Two spots. Nope. Ergot. Ooh. Yep. Why did he have two items for a second? Hmm. Finally. Come with that thing too. So we got a bunch of Teemo. Might be able to level 3 Teemo. Do I want this? This phase is too long. They don't need that much time. That's a bit chunky, big chunky. I'm not gonna bother with that. That's a her. Yeah, critical strike. Probably just be giving her more stuff because, well, Oh, Gwen's doing more damage now. Maybe it's the type of damage and who you're facing. Oh, there she goes. She went up there. Damage. Physical damage. So these are a good combination. She's doing a different type of damage. So I want to find one that does the true damage as well. He does. I mean, I can figure out how to give him more damage capabilities. I don't know. Maybe it's some other trait that gives him that. Look at this thing. That's a mecha. There we go. The space groove plus her seems pretty good. Oh, and I think I have another. Yeah, I have one mecha. I don't know what Thresh's boon is, but I'm clicking on it. Oh. Oh, I need 3. See ya. Do I have a glove? I do. Where was it? Where is she? Let's see her. I should highlight. I got absolutely destroyed. What the heck? Not you again. Yeah, what changed where I'm losing so bad now? Huh.
Soak it up.
Got 2 of them. To her. So she's backline. Yeah. Whoops. Vanguard. Oh. That probably would have been good to keep, but sniper. Dang. What is that item list?
Nobody escapes.
Blue buff. To her.
Here we go.
Not enough. Not enough. Dang it. Out of water. Yeah. I don't know what changed, but I'm getting dunked on. Space Groove. Blitzcrank. LeBlanc seems pretty good, but let's get rid of this robot. Put this one in the middle. Yeah. Let's see. Highest health nearby enemy deals magic damage. I'm dead again. Dang. I don't know. That should help her. Surprised they didn't change the creeper things or whatever they're called. Time is it? 11? I don't want to bother buying those again.
Shake it.
That to that. Well, whoops. Let me give that to this guy. Oh, geez. Doomer. That's just funny. Dark Lady. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Nova thing must be pretty good. Shen. Omnivamp stuff. Hmm. So that's what that one... Oh, actually, that's a different character. Oh, it's a swap. Oh, man. Like Graves in there, 14 cost, level 2. Or Nova, the... No, they have a different trait. Wow. Came back. Okay. Yeah, they didn't bother trying to get... Someone got a level 3. Oh. Alright. A few minutes. I could try to work on that idea. This thing. Change this. Oh, programming. Oh, is it software development? Yeah. Is that... Like a screenshot of that. Faster, please. Well, not do that on this window, just in case. I mean, I don't have anything visible really that matters, but save or export into here we go. Here, so the goal here with this program, I mean script. Let me pull up a project. Trying to find one of the Google AI Studio chats that I can use instead of making a new one. Yeah, the goal here is just to make this easier. Because usually what I do with these specific videos is that I have the background footage, which is from a GoPro or something. And then when I take a photo, I overlaid the actual pictures. They're kind of bad pictures, but... So I want the script to go in here and split this. And then add a Gaussian blur. And then also go into here and do that. And then also add a text overlay with the EXIF information. So that's pretty much what I would want it to do, I think. And I'll be able to select the photos that I want that to happen with. And then, you know, it'll do its thing. So that's kind of the idea. I'm just going to let the AI write just write it for me. So I need to describe what I want it to do. Get a list of selected photos on the timeline, taking note of what track they're on. Apply a crop. Get a list of selected photos on the timeline, taking note of what track they're on. Apply a crop to the selected photo so that they don't take up the entire screen. To do this manually, I'd click on the Event Pane Crop button in Vegas Pro interface. Then I'd increase the position with height linked together to keep the same aspect ratio. Enough to let me put text above photo later on. I don't know what percentage would that be. I'm not going to do that one. Always add a new track above and then run the function to create an EXIF overlay. I think if vertical and horizontal would be different. I don't remember. No, it's just font size. Always add a new track above and then run the function that already exists. That's fine. Oops. Function. Find the track below with clips, footage split. Clip below. Huh? Split the clip. I don't know why I would want to do that. Would it matter? So if I have two of them that are continuous, if I did it like this, instead of letting it be continuous, it doesn't seem to change the Gaussian blur thing. This. Apply Gaussian blur to the With a little clip that fits within equal. Apply Gaussian blur with default settings. Of the AI is probably going to have a hard time with this. Deal with situations where there could be a break in the GoPro footage under the photo. In those you'd need, how you spell Gaussian blur? Why would I want this? Whoops. That might be enough. We'll see. Save. Just make sure this builds. Yeah. I'm going to look for a chat thing. Okay, I've got one. I'm going to give it the project files again. Or I could just redo it. See what I tend to give. Give it the API documents. I don't know if there's any specific references that I need to care about here. Metadata extractor. I don't know. It does have a lot of different packages in it. Well, I shouldn't need to give it any specifics on some of the. I mean, all these. Yeah, so it's got FFmpeg. It's got JSON. So it's data structure thing. XMP, core, threading, metadata extractor. That's for the EXIF stuff, I think. Oops. See if there's any other ones I need to give it. Properties. Gosh. Dang. These plants and stuff are starting to bud. I'm sneezing. With that. Upload files. That's probably good. See what happens. Oh, my leg is tingly. Thing is working, it's just thinking. A bunch of code. Let's see if it works in here. Whoops. It's like magic. Let's see what it did in here. I don't know what these little dots mean. First, let's see if it builds. Yeah. Let's see. A list of photos on timeline. Okay. Apply the crop, select a photo. First track and track event. Let's add a new track above. Tags to include focal length, aperture, shutter speed, ISO. Yeah. I've got a sub function that I made in the past. Me and or AI. Yeah. Find the track below. I don't know. Called it GoPro track. Oh, yeah, that's fun. Okay, let's try and get the Gaussian blur. FX. And it's gonna split. With default settings. Did it add the EXIF? I'm not sure. We can try it and see what happens. So I'm going to build this again. Let's select these. Actually, I don't know if I have it set up properly. Oh, not that. Go to definition. Yeah, that should work. Let's see what happens. And just go like this just in case. Whoops, actually, let me undo that. So it should do it to these ones. Tools. Ooh, Wait. That was weird. Huh? Hmm. So it moved. I mean, it almost worked. That was a little too much, though. I have to keep the center point. Added the text overlay. Actually, maybe that wasn't too much. Oh. Hmm. Let's see, with the... I mean, I could do it myself, I guess. Let's see. Let's look at the code again. I guess. I'm probably not going to. So if we look for the pan crop scale by... Apply crop to the selected photo so you don't have to take up the entire screen. Move by. Let's just not do this. Whoops. Build. Oh, I don't need that either. Try that again. Whoops, I just clicked. I don't even know what I just clicked. Oh, rescan. Okay. Be nice if I had a faster way to do. I probably do. I could probably. Actually, yeah. I don't remember how I did this. I should add one for the other one. Preferences. Let's see. I can't right click. Wonder if I asked the AI to do that too. No. Nope. Customize toolbar. Oh, it's in there. Maybe there's just a generic one. New project. don't know. Yeah, I just don't remember what I did here. I guess I can search on it. Copy your script file into the script menu folder. Hmm. I don't know if I'm able to do it with this one. I'll look at it later. It's in this list here. Oops, they're not selected. It's just like a waste of time to do that. It's very slow. That's weird. I mean, that is basically it, but I don't understand why I have to close the application. Or, I mean, close the script and then it finishes. It's very strange. The reason that's happening is because the normal aspect ratio is that, and I didn't apply a crop originally. Let's see. It's wild how much this is. It's getting to the point of my ideal way of programming because in the past the implementation stage was always such a long-winded, painful step. I don't know how I would explain it with stuff like this, because there's so much involved in knowing how to write this. I'm not saying it is a skill, and it's a lot of back and forth and looking at documents and understanding how each function works and things like that. But hold on, let me see. Whoops. Let me see if the AI can fix this weird thing going on with it. Or I can try to fix it. Let's just copy paste its update and see if that makes a difference. Let's go back here. Should probably start making this CS file smaller because it's hard for me to navigate. Whoops. Okay, that's not right. Maybe it didn't finish writing. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Man, this is crazy. See what it says. Process the selected photo events on the timeline by applying cropping and text overlay while managing the associated. Apply the Gaussian blur effect to the video track directly below the selected photo, ensuring that the. Man, this is insane. Yeah. I can show a reminder of how things have changed just in my existence with programming. Let me see if I can find a quick example. I recently, yeah, I mean, this is one. Should I do that one or something else? Classic VB projects. Oh. No, it's not gonna. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Open with Visual Basic. Yes. Yes. Okay, maybe not the best. Yeah, this is original. Not original, but Visual Basic. So this is one of the early things that I had used. I look at the source code. So this is a different language, but you can see the difference of the interface, and obviously there's no code completion here. Yeah. So from this, well, to this thing, writing comments for me, and of course there is a way to do this programming stuff in here as well, and I did try it once and it worked, but it's kind of basically paid after a certain point. So I like free stuff, even if it uses my data, which Google is using my data to train their stuff. And they changed their TOS recently to say that if you have a free account, we're going to be training on your chats. So, anyways, let's see if this works. Go back to here. Maybe not this one. That's fine. Take these ones. Yep. Yep. That saves me so much time. That's just flipping wild. I could change the size of it. Let me see how it works on verticals. Yeah. It's flipping wild, man. It's insane. At the very least, we can... Oh, I forgot that I'm streaming to the wrong channel. Because I do programming and stuff on a different YouTube channel. Oh well. I'm not gonna bother changing it right now. So I'm basically done. So let's take a look at what it did. So I have a built-in class for this. If we look inside here and just do another selection, let's just see what happens when I do that. So click that. It didn't crash. So if we go here, we can see that I have this logging ability. So it said start the function here, and then it worked. And then it's giving me the lines where it started, I guess, or where the function is. No, it's different. Oh no, it's the line where the log entry happens. That's good. I probably didn't even write that. I just told it to do that. Yeah, so that's that. I'll do that instead. So if it has issues, these ones will fire off as well. There's a message box. I think I told it not to put message boxes in here. But it did anyways. I mean, I told another copy of the AI. This is probably why it did that. So I could potentially just extract out, or just let the AI do it. Let me see. What is this? No, there's still some message boxes in here. What I could do was tell it to Oh, okay. There's flipping a lot of them. Oh, well, anyways, I think it'd probably be good to put those on the interface rather than in here, which is something that I could do to refactor this. And yeah, this is a really big file at this point. Yeah. And then, so what should happen is refactoring it is that when you would click on one of these, it would return the results, and then the message box would happen in here instead of in the class thing. So what is this called? Yeah, it's a public class. When I, whoops, what is this? I think that's different. So what I could do is just give it this. Did I change this? I mean, I slightly changed it. One of the problems though with messing with this file is that it can mess up internal things with Visual Studio. I could try it, but I should probably back up the project. And also, it's kind of a risk. Yeah, like, good to back up, but it's a risk doing that big of a change with AI because it might mess up something. And you won't know for a long time. Doing that big of a change. But it seems pretty good, so I'm just gonna back up. It's kind of late. Yeah, maybe some other time. Anyways, it worked, and that will save me a ton of time on this specific project, and if I do similar ones. I'm probably going to change this a little bit to make the pictures bigger, but that's basically it with this type of video. So that's what it looks like originally, and then this is what it does. It's got the EXIF information. It blurs the background so that when it flows through, you know, it looks like that. Let's see if I can find a better example. Yeah. So that's what it'll look like. I can decide about where I want it on the screen. Tap the screen. Yep. Then I can finally post a new video on. Well, I have to edit this, you know. This is an old recording. But, yeah. Very nice. So that's a big reason I continue to use this editor. Because it has that capability of doing the scripting to a degree that, you know, is really good. All right, I'm going to head out. That was a fun little stream. I was watching a Family Dog for a while, so I didn't know if I would be able to stream, but here I am. Anyways, peace. See ya next stream.